My new book is out now. Check it in the description below.
Seems I just can't catch a break. It's like 90 something degrees out, very humid, sweating through my shirt. Not fun. What is going to be fun is we're messing with some solar lights today from Starbright. I hear good things about them for all you people out there potentially looking to build or host through HipCamp to make some side money, a side hustle, if you will. I'm looking to do so myself. I have a rental listing in the desert, perhaps going up soon. I need some solar lights because I have no electricity out there. So that's why I want to mess with these. I hear they're good. Starbright again is the name. So we're going to mess with them. Not that you need to hear it, but here's the why before I get into it for all the people contemplating the HipCamp stuff and trying to do rentals or live on the cheap. First of all, with the solar lights, no electricity. I don't want to pay for electricity. I'm thrifty/cheap. I'd rather not give my money to someone else. They're portable, they're small, they're affordable. They look cool. They have many settings. You can get the blinking lights, kind of the oscillating, rotating lights, the solid lights, the slow fade and brighten lights. I don't know what the technical terms are, but these things really do a lot. From what I hear from other people, these are amongst the most durable of the outdoor thin copper line lights. You don't want some of those, I mean, some of those are great, the big chunky, clunky lights, but some of the cords are like these bright orange thick cords that just look terrible when they're not lit up at night. So that's why I'm kind of attracted to these. And most important, dual functionality, if that's such a word. They provide a service, they're giving me light, and it's decor. They look really freaking cool.
Here's the tools. I just finished building this pergola in front of my house with Tough Tex polycarbonate, the shaded or tinted variety. Tough to tell from here, it actually reduces the glare. Hanging swing just got in the mail, excuse the other mess. And these are gonna adorn the pergola because I read the reviews on these are really good. Starbright solar LED string lights. I've seen pictures much like this one. Just looks so cool. Barely take any power, 150 LEDs. This is gonna be set up with a pergola, but you have your little solar panel, sticks in the ground, and just the string and accessories. 150 of them. This is cool. I recently bought some other LED lights that I've been pleased with, but these are supposed to be really good, so I'm excited to set these up, and I'll show you a picture of what they look like shortly. Here's what we got nice and neat inside. User's manual. I can't imagine it requires much directions. Stakes. These are the very fine and hideable copper coils. 2 sets of those. I had a different brand of these at one point in time in the desert, and they broke really quickly. These are supposed to be a little more durable. That's why I got them. And let's set them up. And they're installed. You really can't see them all that much, which is kind of cool. Just these little copper wires here. And I tossed some over on a tree, apple tree over there. Excuse this painting, I'm working on like 19 projects here. Here they are at night. Here's a little apple tree. I put one string around. And you can't see it, but as I turn around, here's the pergola. I got to do a better job of hanging them, but you can see they're pretty bright. And they charged today. Today wasn't really that sunny of a day. It rained a lot, but we still got a good charge out of them. And here's what we're dealing with.
So I've waited about a month, close to a month, before giving the wrap up on these lights because I like to make sure they work before I kind of give my word of approval. In a lot of cases, to be honest, if I don't approve of something, I don't like to badmouth companies. You just won't see it in this channel as planes fly overhead and interrupt the audio here. Overall, love them. They're still going strong, no problems with them whatsoever. They don't take long to charge. They're bright enough. They have so many different options. They're affordable. So I really like them overall. I would recommend them, and I'm going to be bringing these to my desert camp in California and possibly to my tiny house summer camp builds, my cabins, my tree houses, to use these up in Vermont as well. So that is a review. Dig them. So if you want to transform your outdoor living space, get Starbright today. Check it out. Link down in the description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and we'll see you later.